Text preprocessing. Text preprocessing in natural language processing. AI intermediate level. Introduction. Text data is one of the most common types of data used in artificial intelligence applications. Examples of text data include emails, social media posts, customer reviews, news articles, chat messages. However, raw text data is usually messy and unstructured. It may contain punctuation, capitalization differences, stop words, irrelevant symbols, spelling variations. Machine learning models cannot directly process raw text effectively. To prepare text for analysis, NLP systems use a process called text preprocessing. Text preprocessing cleans and transforms raw text into a format that machine learning models can understand. It is an essential step in building natural language processing systems. What is text preprocessing? Text preprocessing is the process of cleaning and transforming raw text data before applying machine learning or NLP models. In simple terms, text preprocessing equals preparing text data for machine learning. Example concept. Raw text means preprocessing means clean structured text. Example. I love artificial intelligence. Quote. Down pointing arrow. Love. Artificial intelligence. This process makes the data easier for models to analyze. Why text preprocessing is important. Raw text often contains noise that can confuse machine learning models. Example problems include inconsistent capitalization, punctuation marks, unnecessary words, duplicate tokens. Example concept. Messy text means preprocessing means clean tokens. Text preprocessing helps improve model accuracy, training efficiency, data consistency. Without preprocessing, NLP models may perform poorly. Text preprocessing workflow. Text preprocessing typically follows several steps. Raw text. Down pointing arrow. Lower casing. Down pointing arrow. Tokenization. Down pointing arrow. Stop word removal. Down pointing arrow. Stemming. Lemmatization. Down pointing arrow. Text representation. Each step prepares the text for machine learning analysis. Lower casing. Lower casing converts all characters in text to lowercase. Example. Artificial intelligence. Down pointing arrow. Artificial intelligence. Example concept. Different capitalization means normalized text. This helps treat words consistently. For example, AI equals I equals I. Tokenization. Tokenization divides text into smaller units called tokens. Tokens usually represent words or phrases. Example. I love AI. Down pointing arrow. I love I. Example concept. Sentence means individual word tokens. Tokenization is one of the most fundamental NLP preprocessing steps. Stop word removal. Stop words are very common words that often carry little meaning. Examples include the, is, and, in, of. Example. The cat is on the table. Down pointing arrow. Cat. Table. Example concept. Remove common words means keep meaningful terms. Removing stop words helps reduce noise in text data. Stemming. Stemming reduces words to their root form. Example. Running means run. Playing means play. Studies means studi. Example concept. Different word forms means same root. Stemming helps treat related words as the same feature. Lemmatization. Lemmatization is similar to stemming but produces more meaningful root forms. Example. Running means run. Better means good. Studies means study. Example concept. Word means dictionary base form. Lemmatization is generally more accurate than stemming. Removing punctuation. Text often contains punctuation such as commas, periods, question marks, exclamation marks. Example: hello, world. Quote, down pointing arrow. Hello world. Example concept: remove punctuation means cleaner text. This helps focus only on meaningful words. Removing numbers and special characters. Some NLP tasks require removing numbers or special symbols. Example: I-2025. Quote, down pointing arrow. I. Example concept: remove symbols means simplified text. However, numbers may be useful in some applications such as financial analysis. Text normalization. Text normalization converts words into a consistent format. Examples include expanding contractions, correcting spelling, standardizing abbreviations. Example: don't means do not. Example concept: normalize language means consistent representation. This improves NLP model understanding. Text vectorization. After preprocessing, text must be converted into numbers. Common methods include bag of words, TF-IDF, word embeddings. Example concept: clean text means numerical vectors means machine learning model. These representations allow AI systems to analyze text mathematically. Example Python code. Text preprocessing can be implemented using libraries such as NLTK. Example code. Import NLTK. From NLTK, tokenize import word _ tokenize. Text equals I love artificial intelligence. Tokens equals word _ tokenize. Text, lower, print, tokens, output, I love artificial intelligence. This demonstrates tokenization and lowercasing. Real-world applications of text preprocessing. Text preprocessing is used in many NLP systems. Sentiment analysis. Cleaning reviews before analyzing sentiment. Chatbots. Preparing user queries for response generation. Search engines. Processing search queries to improve results. Document classification. Preparing text for topic classification. Spam detection. Cleaning email content before classification. Advantages of text preprocessing. Text preprocessing offers several advantages. Advantages include cleaner and more consistent text data, improved machine learning performance, reduced noise in datasets, faster model training. Example concept: clean text means better NLP models. Challenges of text preprocessing. Despite its importance, text preprocessing also presents challenges. Challenges include deciding which preprocessing steps to apply, language-specific rules, handling slang and informal language, preserving meaningful context. Example concept: too much preprocessing means loss of meaning. Careful preprocessing is essential for optimal results. Concepts learned from text preprocessing. Understanding text preprocessing helps learners understand. Checkmark how raw text is cleaned for machine learning. Checkmark how tokenization and normalization work. Checkmark how NLP models prepare language data. Checkmark how text is converted into numerical features. Checkmark how language data becomes structured for analysis. Text preprocessing is a foundational step in natural language processing pipelines. Simple definition. Text preprocessing. The process of cleaning and transforming raw text data so it can be used by machine learning and NLP models. Final summary. Text preprocessing is a crucial step in natural language processing that prepares raw text data for analysis. By applying techniques such as tokenization, stop word removal, stemming, lemmatization, and normalization, NLP systems convert messy text into structured data. This cleaned text can then be transformed into numerical representations for machine learning models. Effective text preprocessing significantly improves the accuracy and performance of NLP systems. Understanding text preprocessing is essential for building reliable and efficient natural language processing applications.